everybody, it's Carol. I have a couple of tips for you. Do you know when you do a nose contour, you have to draw 2 lines of contour and then a line of highlighter? And I don't know about you, but I can never get the lines straight. Like, I can sew clothes, but I can't do the hem straight. So is something about doing a straight line. It's a little difficult for some people and for me. So I figured out to do it this way. I get the brush and I go all over my nose, all over the tip break, and the dorsum, okay? All over the nose. When I'm done with that, I take my erase concealer and I just draw a little line there and a little bit over here, just tap a little. And that gets rid of the contour in the middle. It's so much easier.
First, I take my HOOLA bronzer. I always say HOOLA by mistake, but that's the TV station. So I take the HOOLA, I take the HOOLA and I go boop, 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 boop. While I'm there, I'll just do my under my cheeks and my forehead. And then I take my magic eraser by Maybelline, or I take another kind of concealer, it doesn't matter. Now I go on the sides, the top, and the tip. This will give you a narrower nose and better shape. I mean, people with the best noses contour them. And that's an eye magic sponge. It's so fabulous because, see, it's got the flat sides. And then I just pat, 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 pat. It's perfect. The sponge with the contour is perfect. And then you have a little more definition. Voila.
Another tip I wanted to tell you was, okay, if you watch a lot of young beauty YouTubers, they tell you how to make your lips look bigger, but I'm going to tell you a different way. They tell you to draw underneath, mostly here, and you go around, but not all the way. Not all the way out. Just go in. And then on the top, they tell you, forget the Cupid's bow, and just go all around and come in before the end. So your lip looks bigger and the distance between your nose and the lip are shorter, and that's supposed to be more of a sign of youth. But I like it a different way. I like a little Cupid's bow, a little, not too prominent, but a soft Cupid's bow. And I like to bring it out here, and I do my cat wing, like the cat eye, going in the same direction. You put the pencil this way, the same way you would put the pencil on the cat eye, and it's just a little. And what you're doing is you are filling this little triangle here that's not part of your lip. This is overlining over here, but nobody's going to notice because it's over there. Nobody's going to notice, believe me. And then you just keep going around and make a nice round, a Cupid's bow, and your lips will look bigger. So let's see if I can give you some sort of demos.
First, I'm going to remove the lipstick that I have on, and I'm using Maybelline SUPERSTAY Eraser. This product removes all the long-lasting lipsticks. So easy. Next, I'll take one of my matte inks, and I'm going to give you a little demo here. You don't want to overdraw on the bottom, except if it's in the middle. Now, in the corner is where you're going to overdraw. Right there. You're going to make that bigger. You see the difference? It just makes your lips look fuller. You can overdraw a little on the Cupid's bow, make a round Cupid's bow, but not around the whole lips. Just right there on the outside. In fact, my next video coming up is a Get Ready With Me. I'm using the exact same lipsticks and gloss. This is my daily go-to.
Oh, and I wanted to show you, I bought this in, I think, Ross. You know the show The Office? This is so cute. I just love this cup of coffee. And I love that it's a snow globe. And it says Dunder Mifflin. If you haven't seen this series, this is an old one. It is so great. My grandkids even love it. So I'm using it for a paperweight. Isn't that cute? I love it. Well, thanks for watching. I needed to give you a couple of tips of the day. Oh, one more. When you are doing your shadows and everything, and then you want to put some shadow under here, which you should, because it elongates the eye this way. Always good to put a little shadow up here, and don't put your concealer up to your eyelashes. It makes your eyes small and squinty. So let's say you are using this brush to do your fluffy eyeshadows, okay, like that. And now you want to go underneath. It's a little too wide, you know? It's going to look too funny. So just go like this. And look, do you see that? A narrow brush. There you got, 2-in-1. A 2-in-1 brush. Just fluff and then flatten it out. And you just go like this. So easy. So I'm on my way out, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you all. Have a great day, great night, a great week, whatever, wherever you are, and I will see you soon.